Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to connect Shazam to Spotify account. So if you also want to connect Shazam to Spotify account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So connecting the Shazam to Spotify allows you to automatically add Shazam songs to a playlist in Spotify and you can listen to them there. So if you want to connect Shazam to Spotify, it is very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Shazam application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Also make sure you're logged into the Spotify account on your device. You can see over here Shazam application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for library. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the library interface. From here, you'll be able to discover the music and songs. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several settings options over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Under the music app preferences, you'll be able to find the option for Spotify. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the option for connect. All you have to do is tap on it. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several informations over here. Read these informations very carefully. If you allow Spotify to connect to Shazam, Shazam will be able to view your Spotify account data. The account data includes the Spotify subscription, account country, explicit content filter settings, etc. It will also be able to view your activity on Spotify. Also, it will take actions in Spotify on your behalf. If you're okay with it, simply scroll down. Now tap on the agree option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you're connected. Now the Spotify and Shazam has been connected. Now you'll be able to open the playlist in Spotify. Simply tap on the got it option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your Spotify account has been connected to Shazam. So that is how you connect Shazam to Spotify account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.